Varanasi, also known as Banaras or Kashi, is a city on the banks of the river Ganga in the state of Uttar Pradesh, India. It is a city with rich historical prominence and represents the culture and heritage of India. Home to numerous temples and ashrams, the city experiences major tourist footfall. The city is also in the fast lane of smart infrastructure development, ever since identified among the 100 Smart Cities plan. Smart Cities mission focuses on driving economic growth and improving quality of life by harnessing technology to create smart outcomes. With the enormous growth in tourism over the years, the city of Varanasi has been feeling pressure on its resources and civic amenities. Increase in traffic, air pollution, and municipal solid waste present a bleak picture to the visitors and tourists. Government initiatives are directed towards upgrading city infrastructure while preserving city's cultural heritage. But a city-level development requires a planned approach backed by technology and significant investment. A holistic approach involves having a common geographic reference point for all. A common base map of the city integrates administrative boundaries with location of common facilities, such as public conveniences, religious places, health, tourism and recreation facilities. These are further mapped with land features in the city, such as water bodies and other infrastructure, such as transportation, water, sewerage, and drainage network. Having visibility acts as a common reference point for municipal authorities to identify revenue generation opportunities and for citizens who seek information or provide feedback and raise complaints. Varanasi improved its city management and coordination through GIS by incorporating the various smart components. Smart waste bins in the city have smart sensors showing its location and near real-time status of garbage waste pickup by sending an update. Smart environment sensors map near real-time feed of weather, sound, and air pollution of the city. This information is used to inform citizens of any health-threatening conditions in specific areas. Smart traffic signals have sensors that provide the working status of traffic signals by sending near real-time updates to GIS systems. This helps fix these dysfunctional signals faster and keep the city moving. Using GIS technology for making an informed decision has helped Varanasi achieve an all-round development, not just to meet day-to-day challenges, but dealing with emergencies as well. It is this experience that enabled Varanasi to apply the power of geospatial thinking and mapping phenomena to its COVID-19 response and management strategies. From citizen engagement to mapping hotspots, planning of quarantine centers to managing the supply chain for medical supplies and essentials, the science of geography has been a differentiator in containing the spread and saving lives. Rejuvenating the oldest Indian living city of Varanasi requires active participation of local authorities as well as citizens, while keeping the core essence of the city intact. With GIS as its heart, Varanasi is powering ahead with its vision of a smart heritage city, a city that promises safe and sustainable living conditions to its citizens and an experience of a lifetime to visitors in their quest for a holy dip to purify their souls.